It's day 2 and finally cut all the pieces of the fabric, and now I'm doing the front of the skirt. I'm just trying to tack these things down. It's coming along nicely and I can't wait to be done. Like, I can't wait to see how it looks.
Okay guys, so I'm taking over to MK's channel for just a few seconds, I guess. Yeah, but this is her dress. Ignore how it's looking. Okay, right now it's not been ironed yet, and I have pins over here, so everything is not yet flat. But this is what we are having right now. This is what it's looking like. I'm trying to fix in the back panels, but this is the front panel of her dress. You guys just wait on it, okay? You understand it very soon. Okay, it's over here trying to file. You guys just ignore how crazy that background looks right now. Like
we are in the deep zone, we are in the creative zone. So everywhere looks like a bomb went off. It's natural, it happens.
Yeah. So okay, it's filing her boning
for the dress.
So it's teamwork. We're trying to see how far we can go today.
Yeah, because this one here is traveling in a couple of days.
And I need to go and be a village girl for some days.
And I don't have any machines here to actually do this sewing by myself. So why not come here and let her help me before she goes?
Yes, I've left my own work that I have to do. It's like, it's alright.
Please now.
Only CK once in a while, so.
Exactly. So thank you. After today, most of the work is done. So I can finish it off. But for now, let's just get the machine sewing, the machine part out of the way.
Alright.
Yeah. So see you guys next week. Okay, taking a break from sewing.
Okay, it's taking a break. I like how baby, that's just I'm happy for anything this year. Let's go now.
I'm waiting for our food, so when it comes. Oh, my skin!
Yeah.
Came to one roadside.
I had all this beside
But it's ready to delivery.
Yeah.
We're just about to iron the cup and the lining. Not looking too bad. We are at a point where we're deciding whether or not to use this fabric or to drape it with the silver. Let's put the silver and see what it looks like. Let me take a picture of this. I'm finally heading home after a long day of sewing. Luckily, there's no traffic. And I'll get home soon. Shower. It's been so hot. I've been sweating the whole day. I just want to shower and go to bed. This is salmon pepper soup with sweet potato and editing my video. It's like 20 past 11 at night and we do what we do. This is so spicy. It's so good.